Hello everyone, welcome back to the Most Comfortable Heels channel. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa and all I do on this channel is talk about how you can make your heels a lot more comfortable. So in this video, I'm going to try the Vivian Lou Insoles on 4 heels. 2 which are my most agonizing heels and 2 other heels that can use some improvement in the comfort department. I need to know if this insole is as promising as people say on the internet. I can tell a difference immediately. Let's wait on the ball of my foot. These insoles are different from anything in the stores and really work. It's called the weight shifting insole. So when you wear this, it shifts away the weight around the ball of your foot. And according to Vivian Lou, their insoles prevent you from slipping forward in your heels. I bought a size 41 to size 43 because I have a size 41 and it cost me 25 pounds. It came with only 1 pair of insoles. I bought it on their website vivianlou.co.uk. So now I'm going to show you how to apply the insole the right way so you can have the best effect when you wear these heels. Watch this. So the first thing I'm going to do to make sure that the Vivian Lou insoles stick well on my inner soles is first clean the inner sole with rubbing alcohol to make sure that they are free of oils and lotion. Then you want to center the wide rounded part of the insole about 3 millimeters from the back of the shoe. So that's the way you want to stick them on. It's very important that when you wear this insole that you try it on both feet so that you can feel the real experience. Removing insoles from your shoes may cause damage. And I did not listen to the manual because when I removed the insole, it totally ruined my inner soles. Luckily, my shoes are not expensive, so I do not care about the damage. I just want my heels to be comfortable. Okay, so I'm going to try out the Vivian Lou insoles with this pair of heels. Whenever I wear these heels, I can feel the burning sensation in the ball of my feet. And that's why this is the perfect pair of heels to try on the Vivian Lou insoles. So I'm going to stick this on the inner soles of my high heels, wear them for a while, and come back with a review. My main problem with this pair of heels is the ball of my feet. A lot of weight goes in here. Do you think these Vivian Lou insoles relieve pain in the ball of the feet with these heels? I'm going to keep it plain and simple. The Vivian Lou did not relieve the pain in the ball of my feet with these heels. These heels are too high and unforgiving for my feet. These are the next pair of heels I want to show you guys. This is one of the most uncomfortable heels I own. This heel is too high for me, which result in a lot of pain in the ball of my feet when I wear these heels. That's why I don't wear these heels. I'm going to try the Vivian Lou's on these heels. Do you think the Vivian Lou insoles relieve pain in the ball of my feet with these pair of heels? If you said no, you are right, because the Vivian Lou insoles did not make these heels comfortable. I could still feel the pain at the ball of my feet. Again, these heels are too high and also unforgiving as the first one. And with my flat feet, I just cannot handle these type of heel heights. So let's continue to the next pair of heels. I tried the Vivian Lou insoles, and that is this pair of heel. And whenever I wear this pair of heels, I notice that I really slip forward in them. So I always have to spray the insole and make sure that my feet are secured when I wear this pair of heels. And what do you think? Do you think this Vivian Lou will prevent me from slipping forward in my heels? Yes, so I was really shocked because I wasn't slipping forward in my heels. I was staying in position, and I really love that about the insoles. The next pair of heels that I'm going to try the Vivian Lou insoles on are this pair of heels. But even though it has a black heel, whenever I wear these heels, I can feel a slight pressure in the ball of my feet. But the question is, does it work on these heels? I was not excited at first because it did not make these heels comfortable. They were still uncomfortable. But when I tried the insole on this heel, I noticed a difference. The ball of my feet was not burning like they usually do. This is what I have to say about the Vivian Lou. I feel like you can better invest your money in heels that are comfortable from the get-go instead of buying these insoles to make your uncomfortable heels comfortable, because in my case, it did not make those uncomfortable heels comfortable again. But if you have a pair of heels that you can already handle really well, but you just want to have some extra support, you could definitely use these insoles. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm so happy that you guys tuned in. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you like to see more of my videos. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you guys the next time, where I'm going to talk about how you can make your heels the most comfortable.